Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to find the domain of a function. Just like this one, y is equal to square root of 2x plus 5. Paano po hanapin ang kanyang domain? Number 2, y is equal to x minus 5 over 2x plus 6. So how to find the domain of this function? Isa-isain ko po sa inyo explain yung steps. Okay, so let's start with number 1 example. Y is equal to square root of 2x plus 5. So kapag mayroon pong gantong square root, ang concept po ng square root ay hindi po pwedeng ang radicand niya ay 0 or negative. So, ang gagawin po natin diyan, yung kanyang radicand na 2x plus 5, i-equate po natin yan sa 0. Okay po. So, kopyahin natin yung kanyang radicand, 2x plus 5. And then, equate po natin sa 0. So, hahanapin po natin dito yung value ng x. So, yung magiging value po ng x kasi dito, yun yung magiging 0 yung radicand niya. Okay po. So, this will become, to solve for x here, 2x plus 5 equals 0. Transpose natin yung plus 5 magiging minus 5. Okay po. So 2x is equal to 0 minus 5. Okay? So 0 and then that is minus 5. Then subtract, what is 0 minus 5? That is negative 5. And then we have 2 here. To remove 2, divide by 2 to both side of the equation. So ang purpose niyan, we can cancel 2 here. Okay? So pag na-cancel natin yung 2, ang matitira po dyan ay yung x. And negative 5 over 2 cannot be divide. So ibig sabihin, pwede na po yan na value ng x kahit fraction. X is equal to negative 5 over 2. So yung negative 5 over 2 na value ng x, yun po yung magiging 0 yung ating radicand. So hindi po yan pwede. Ano po? At kapag bababa pa po dito sa negative 5 over 2 yung value ng x, magiging negative na po itong radicand natin kapag substitute natin yung value ng x. So yun po yung restriction dito po sa ating function. So ang magiging sagot po natin dyan ay x such that x are all real numbers but x is less than or equal to negative 5 over 2. So hindi po pwedeng negative 5 over 2 ang value ng x kasi magiging 0 at hindi rin po pwedeng bumaba sa negative 5 over 2 ang value ng x kasi magiging negative na po yung kanyang radicand. So this is our answer in notation. Okay, so how about this given function? Number 2, y is equal to x minus 5 over 2x plus 6. So wala pong square, pero ang given naman po dito ay fraction. So kapag fraction ang given, meron din siyang restriction. So hindi rin po pwedeng ang denominator ay equal to 0. Okay, so yun lang po ang kanyang restriction. Ang denominator ay hindi pwedeng maging 0. So ibig sabihin, para makuha natin yung domain ng function na ito, equate din po natin itong denominator na 2x plus 6 to 0. Okay, 2x plus 6 is equal to 0 and then solve for x. So again, the same process. Lipat po natin yung plus 6 sa kabila. So magiging 2x is equal to 0 minus 6. And then 0 minus 6 is equal to negative 6. So again here, so x po ang hinahanap natin. May kasamang 2 yung x. So divide 2 to both side of the equation. And then we can cancel 2 here. Then what is remain here? X. So this will become x equal to negative 6 divided by 2. So this time, pwede po nating i-divide. Ano po? May exact value yung negative 6 divided by 2. That is negative 3. So ito po yung restriction na hindi pwedeng maging value ng x. Kasi kapag sinubstitute natin yung negative 3 dito sa ating denominator, 2x, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So hindi po pwedeng 0 ang denominator. Ano po? So ito yung kanyang restriction. So ang sagot natin diyan ay set of all real numbers except negative 3. So yan po yung word. Ito po yung kanyang notation. So x such that x are all real numbers except x is not equal to negative 3. Okay, so salamat po sa iyong panunood. Please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.